40% of the world's population depends on fish to eat. However, every year around 27 million tons of fish are thrown back dead because they are too young or the wrong species. Last year, British fishermen discarded 2 of every 3 fish caught, with many of the most discarded species also being the most threatened. This practice is unsustainable and has to change. The SafetyNet system exploits fish behavioural habits in order to separate fish by different species and ages, leading to a more selective trawling process. One problem in current trawling is that the meshes in the net don't do what they're supposed to. When the net is being towed, the flow of the water through it stretches the meshes, closing them and making them useless for smaller fish that are trying to escape. By inserting a reinforcing ring, it is possible to keep the meshes fully open, allowing juvenile fish to escape while retaining the larger, marketable fish. Fish often can't see the netting of the trawl, so may not know that they are trapped. Illuminating the rings shows them they are trapped, but also offers a high contrast exit. Trawler nets are made of several sections: the mouth, the extension and the cod end, which is where the fish are retained. Once a trawler encounters a shoal of fish, they eventually fall back into the cod end. The reinforcing rings in the net are switched on and off at set intervals to make the most efficient use of power. Once they turn on, the fish are able to see a way out and the small fish are able to escape. It is important to remove the smaller fish at this stage, as if they are taken to the surface the pressure change will kill them. There are 2 styles of ring available. The first uses simple batteries and LEDs, and the casing is made from extremely strong cast nylon 6. It is snapped onto the existing netting and remains there until the batteries have to be replaced. The second is a self-charging, fit and forget system. The flow of the water through the turbine constantly charges the batteries, meaning they never have to be changed. Both are retrofittable. The SafetyNet system also considers the environmental impact of trawling. By raising the trawl 1 metre off the bottom, far less damage is done to the delicate seabed and the ecosystem it supports. The reduced footprint offers other positive outcomes, such as less damage to the trawl itself and less fuel burned due to the reduced friction, giving an environmental and financial bonus. Another measure to increase selectivity is a separator panel, which segregates fish based on their behaviour under stress. One of the most endangered species is cod, whose natural instinct when under threat is to swim towards the seabed to hide. Other fish, like haddock and whiting, which are in plentiful supply, swim upwards when stressed. The separator panel splits the trawl in 2, with the small mesh in the top half retaining the marketable fish, while the large mesh in the bottom half allows the cod to go free uninjured. Moving around to the back of the net allows the outcomes of all these processes to be viewed at once, with the juvenile fish and cod escaping and the marketable adult fish being retained in the cod end. It is only through innovations such as the SafetyNet system that we will be able to ensure a sustainable and reliable food supply for the future.